another Thoughts on Tech video.
Finally, my new GoPro cameras have arrived, so today I bring you the first comparison video. I will start with the GoPro Max because I found it the most exciting product in GoPro's new lineup. Today against the Insta360 One X because that was, in my opinion, until now the best consumer 360-degree camera on the market. In this video what you see are 1080p images reframed out of 5.7K spherical 360-degree video. The reframing was performed on the mobile apps from each camera. If we compare the image quality from both cameras, the images from the GoPro Max come closer to the normal quality of traditional 1080p video. In the Insta360 One X you notice some loss of quality in my opinion. Nevertheless, in the 360 One X the image quality was already a step up in comparison to most 360-degree cameras before it. When it comes to stabilization, it is very good in both cameras. In the Insta360 you unfortunately are able to see some stabilization artifacts that make the center of the frame wobble in some occasions. I will show you what I mean more in detail ahead in the video. When it comes to sound, the GoPro captures it louder and clearer, but it is on the other hand also more likely to pick loud wind noise. These images were captured with the camera lenses pointing sideways, so that the direction in which I am walking is where the stitching line is located. As you can see, the stitching is also very good in both cameras. You barely can see where the images are stitched together. This is a huge difference when compared to some of the first 360-degree cameras, where it was clearly visible. Here I cropped the images in to 200% so that you can see clearly what I meant before with stabilization artifacts. In the images from the GoPro that you will see next, you don't have anything like this. So if the camera to beat was the Insta360 One X, and I think it was, in my opinion this new GoPro managed to do it. I think you get generally better results with the GoPro Max.